service of humanity and their commission this very important humanity. And then the next 5,000 capacity auditorium at Kai local government. I work there and they
formally commission this 5,000 capacity auditorium. Thank you, and God bless you.
Members of State Executive Council present, the Commander Operation Delta Set, Rear Admiral Amin Hassan, other head of security commands, Royal Fathers, NYSC top management, state coordinators of Rivers, Imo, Akwa Ibom, and Bayelsa, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is with immense delight that I address this August gathering on the occasion of formal inauguration of this 5,000 capacity theater auditorium constructed by Rivers State Government. Let me begin by recognizing the esteemed presence of the Chief Host and the Executive Governor of Rivers State. He has done a lot for us. Thank you, Your Excellency, and may God bless you and your Rivers State. The Chairman of the local government, traditional rulers, and other stakeholders who are here to identify with us at this event. Your Excellency, this occasion offered a unique opportunity for appreciating of your numerous people-oriented projects since the advent of your administration, sir. I congratulate you and the good people of Rivers State on delivery of this dividends of democracy. It is also heartwarming to note that the state government, under your able leadership, have done a lot for NYSC. Few to be mentioned, you reinvented Copas, their hostels and official residence. You asphalted the roads in the camp. You renovated the old multipurpose hall. You constructed drainages. You reconstructed the bond dining hall. You restored the payment of monthly allowances to core members in Rivers State. You restored payment of running costs to the Secretariat. These are few to be mentioned because of the weather and time. Your Excellency, we are highly appreciative of what you have done, and we are indebted to you. We are indebted to you. We will do all our best to do good service delivery to people of Rivers State under your initial view. Your Excellency, the progress that has achieved so far must be as a result of a purposeful leadership that you are giving to people of Rivers State, sir. Thank you for what you have done to us. It has been our call all over the state to have something like this. Thank God Rivers State has took the lead, just like what the commissioner said earlier. This is the first of its kind, and I know the rest of the state will copy from Rivers State. Your Excellency, thank you, and may God bless you. But before I finish my appreciation of His Excellency, I humbly and respectfully want to sought for His Excellency's consent to name this advent after His Excellency. Thank you for consenting and agreeing. The name of the hall now is no more, but is Governor, His Excellency Governor Nelson and Wike's Hall Auditorium. This is the name of the hall. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.